Welcome to my loft, and at long last my underground line is almost totally complete. The third and fourth live rails have been installed, and you can just see this Bakerloo line 38 stock of London Underground. You can see the train crawling up the hill, quite a gradient, and disappearing underground into a tube, a plastic tube that is. These tunnel entrances were kindly produced by my brother, and it's quite a narrow fit to go in. And coming into the station, things have not quite fully complete, but you can see I'm slowly getting there. Slightly fast acceleration. I need to get used to the true speed they accelerate at. Oh, and all the passengers have fallen over. And you can see how my underground train really is underground compared with all the other trains above. The Bakerloo line and Northern line had this 38 stock, which was made from 1938, and they ran some of the trains till 1988, which is an incredible 50-year service. You can see on this black tube here, I've cut out holes because it'd be a bit boring just to have a train that you can't see inside a plastic tube. So it gives the appearance of being underground. And here you can see the train literally disappearing underground. And on the right you can see the tube. Again, on this section I've cut open the tube so you can actually see the train running underneath. Now the Bakerloo line, they had a top speed of 45 miles an hour. That's a little fast. You can see I've installed some lights in the cab and the headlights. These are EFE underground trains, and you have to modify them, and I've put 4 motors in the first 2 coaches. Crawling up the hill, up the gradient. Now you can see I've had different attempts of ballasting, and I'm not sure which looks best, brown, white or the black underlay. Please advise and tell me what you think. It does look quite nice to have no ballast though, admittedly. And I think they look quite lovely actually. A quick view around my loft. You can just see how I've squished them in the London Underground by the rest. This is my goods yard, which I finished only 3 months ago. And eventually I am planning to have an entrance to the underground station somewhere here, as the underground is literally underneath this level. And I think this is quite a nice view of the train running along. And coming to park. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in 2 weeks' time. Bye.